Now we are shifting focus to the state of Karnataka, where DK Shivakumar is all set to be sworn in as Karnataka's next chief minister on the 3rd of June, that is tomorrow. And ahead of the swearing-in ceremony, the chief minister designate will be meeting the Congress High Command, including leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. This meeting is expected, and Rahul Gandhi is also set to chair a key huddle. This is the final meeting before DKS takes oath, and the meeting was originally scheduled for Monday but got deferred due to Rahul Gandhi's unavailability. We're getting information from our sources that this is a meeting where a final approval will be sought for the list of ministers. Let me go across to Neha. Neha, what more information can you share with our viewers on what the new DKS cabinet will look like? Who is going to make the cut?
Well, one thing that we know for sure is that, Siddaramaia's loyalists are, of course, going to be inducted into the new cabinet, given that he's, of course, stepped away. And it's been a very graceful, handover over here for the Congress party. Our top sources now who are going to be attending that meeting at 11 o'clock with the High Command go on to tell us that Yatindra Siddaramaia, in fact, is one face that's likely to be featured on that cabinet, whose name, of course, has been on the rounds now for quite some time. That apart, at least another one or two new faces are likely to be inducted, is what our top sources have conveyed to us. Over and above that, of course, from the old cabinet as well, likely that about 7 to 8 people at least are going to be retained. And all in all, of course, we really have to wait and see right now as far as the balancing act goes as to how the Congress party manages this, keeping in line all of the emotions, of course, of the leaders that have, in fact, been running high. We've seen what happened when Siddaramaiah, in fact, of course, announced that he would indeed be stepping away from the post of the chief minister.
All right, with that, let's also take our viewers through the post of DK Shivakumar and how he's crediting the Gandhis for his journey and also his rise. So ahead of the swearing-in ceremony, he is, talking about how the Gandhis played a role for his rise. He said that they played a role in defining his role in his political journey, not merely through leadership, but also through faith that they placed in. I'm going across to Pratibha, my colleague. Pratibha will take us through the post of DK Shivakumar. But right now, DK Shivakumar tomorrow, who will be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Karnataka, is in the national capital. He's been meeting the Congress top brass. The focus is on the cabinet, the new cabinet. As per sources, it's going to be a mix of young Turks and also Congress veterans. There has been intense lobbying that has been going on. Siddaramaiah too, on his part, is trying to ensure that his loyalists also get their due. You've heard the comments that came in from his son Yatindra Siddaramaiah, who has gone on record to say that he was promised a place in the cabinet. And right now, DK Shivakumar in the latest has credited the Gandhis for playing a role in defining his political journey. Going across to Pratibha. Pratibha, take us through the latest post of DK Shivakumar.
So, Sagrika, a lot of praises coming in for the Gandhi family by DK Shivakumar. He has always defined his politics with the loyalty that he has had for the Gandhi family, Congress, and more particularly the Gandhi family. And today, as he is all set to meet Rahul Gandhi a day before the swearing-in ceremony expected in Karnataka tomorrow, here is what DK Shivakumar has said on social media. The Gandhi family has played a defining role in my political journey, not merely through leadership, but through the faith they placed in me at different stages of my life. It's a long tweet where he goes on to begin with Rajiv Gandhi saying, I often reflect on Sri Rajiv Gandhi Avru, who saw potential in a young worker even before I could see it in myself. His encouragement gave me the confidence to dream bigger and dedicate myself to public service. The greatest leaders are those who identify possibilities, and then he credits Rajiv Gandhi for that. Then he mentions Sonia Gandhi, says Sonia Gandhi Avru taught me another important lesson in leadership. True leaders do not stand by you only during moments of success. They stand beside you during your most difficult times. He's talking about her faith in him during the challenging phases of his journey. Then he mentions Rahul Gandhi, says he has been a constant source of guidance and inspiration, and his willingness to listen, his conviction in democratic values, and his vision for a more inclusive and compassionate India continue to motivate him. Then, interestingly, he has also mentioned Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. He says Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has always been approachable, warm and encouraging. She has treated every worker with respect and dignity, reminding us that politics is ultimately about connecting with people and understanding their aspirations. And it doesn't end there. It goes on. He then goes on to say, for me, the Gandhi family represents different dimensions of leadership, recognizing potential, standing by people in difficult times, listening with empathy and inspiring others through conviction and service. As someone who began as a grassroots worker and has been entrusted today with the responsibility of leading Karnataka, I remain profoundly grateful for their trust. Under their leadership and blessings of the people, Karnataka will continue to work with sincerity. He has in fact also put out a video with other Gandhi family members, his own message and thanks to the Gandhi family.
Thank you so much, Pratibha, for taking us through that post of DK Shivakumar. With that, viewers, what do you do when you want to catch the news on the move? Well, Times Now and Times Play has you covered. The all-in-one OTT streaming platform developed by the Times Network uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. Catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, which is available on Google Play Store and also the Apple App Store.